Hi, I'm Trish from Foldfactory, and this is your Fold of the Week. Last week, I shared something really dimensional and creative for marketing brochures, and this week, I want to go in the other direction. This is a simple modification to a Fold of the Week classic, the closed gate fold, turning it into a pocket mailer that can self-mail. I think you're going to love it. Let's take a closer look. On the cover, they're using metallic silver ink to catch the eye. Here's the mailing panel, clean and simple, fold at the bottom for mailing. You can see there's a little step on the cover. I like that. It invites you to open, fugitive glued, open it up, and you can see here that this is just a glued closed gate. But inside, this pocket has a lot of capacity. That's 20 panels worth of content in that pocket. So you can see here multiple pieces all folded up, and they all fit really well into the pocket. So all this is a closed gate, one of the panels glued down to create a pocket, and then fugitive glued back down to close. So the beauty of this solution is there's no die cutting at all, just glue. So this panel, the fold-in panel, is a little short, and there's glue on either side to create a pocket. And it's amazing how much this can hold. There are multiple pieces folded in here. I could see this for documents, welcome kits, tickets, all sorts of things. It's so simple. I really do like this little short folded solution on the cover. It just invites you to open it, which is really nice. They've got soft touch on the outside plus spot gloss varnish effects as well. About an 80-pound coated cover for the sheet. So I hope you like it. That's your 60-second super cool Fold of the Week. Glued, closed gate, self-mailer with pocket. Forward this to your friends and colleagues. Keep the dialogue going. And viewers, please send me your folds. If I use them, I'll send you free stuff. Visit foldfactory.com for folding ideas, die lines, and templates. And remember, think finishing at the beginning. I'll see you next week. Bye.